Lotus, a flower that grows in mud, can also grow in a normal bucket in your house. But don't worry. By saying this, I don't mean that you have to fill the bucket with mud for it. Growing lotus at home is not as difficult as people think, and do not even try to plant it. But if you want to enhance the beauty of your garden, then the methods given here can prove helpful for you. Lotus can be easily grown from its seeds. You can buy it from a nursery or online. Apart from this, you will need black soil, sand, vermicompost, and a bucket to grow lotus at home. Black and smooth soil is required to grow lotus. The smoother the soil, the more the lotus plant will be able to grow. Now take a bucket and spread 1 inch thick layer of sand at its bottom, then put 2-inch thick layer of vermicompost on it, and finally spread 4-inch thick layer of soil. Now finally fill it with water and leave it for 1 week. The seeds of lotus are very hard, due to which it takes a lot of time to germinate. In such situation, rub its whole part until its white part becomes visible. Then keep it in a glass filled with water in a bright place. Keep changing the water in the glass every 2 to 3 days. It will start germinating in 10 days. When the lotus seedlings become 6 inches long, plant it in a bucket. Keep in mind that all the seedlings should be at a distance of 4 inches from each other. There should be enough water in the bucket so that its stems is completely immersed in it. Also keep in a sunny place. When the leaves starts growing, add vermicompost to it once a month. If you grow lotus from its seeds, it takes at least 5 to 6 months for it to flower. But if you plant it from the root, it will start flowering within 16 to 18 days. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe.